In this video, we will look at the transfer attribute node. The definition of the transfer attribute node is as follows. Here's an example from the Blender help document. Let's implement this example using the default cube. It is to convert the vertex position data of one object into the vertex position data of another object. In this case, the number of vertices should be somewhat similar so that it is not awkward. Add a subdivide mesh node to the default cube to increase the number of vertices. Add a cylinder object and set the vertices to 98 so that it matches the number of vertices of the subdivided cube. Add a set position node. Add a transfer attribute node, and change to vector mode. Connect the cylinder mesh to the source socket. Add a position node, and connect it to the attribute socket. If you connect the attribute socket to the position socket, you can see that the vertices of the base cube have moved to the positions of the vertices of the cylinder object. If a MIS-RGB node is added, a node that can implement morphing between cube and cylinder is configured. Morphing between two objects is not difficult. If so, how do I add another object to morph it? It's a bit complicated, so we'll cover it in the next video. This video ends here. Thank you.